Making a wheel-thrown teapot. I'm using Little Loafer's clay. That's a porcelain blend from high water clays. It's very smooth and easy to throw with. I throw the body and the lid in one piece here. I like this method. It ensures a perfectly fitting lid. I throw the spout on the wheel too. It honestly took me a couple of tries to get the right spout. And I start the handle on the wheel, then pull the rest of the handle using water. It takes some careful attention to detail to cut the lid out of the top of this one-piece pot. It must be cut on an angle so the lid doesn't fall right through. I also carefully trim the bottom of the pot. It must be stable and strong to hold that boiling water. Once all parts are leather hard, I spend an hour or maybe even 2 attaching the spout in the perfect spot to maximize the teapot volume. I cut little straining holes and clean it up really nicely before using slip and scoring to attach the spout. I attach a nice strong handle as well. After a bisque firing, I spend some time painting the pot with underglazes. I go for a simple design here, then I add a clear glaze over top. I'm not going to show you that part in this video. The teapot is in the kiln along with some other treasures. I'm firing to cone 6, so the kiln gets very hot, about 1200 degrees Celsius. This was my first firing with my kiln at home, and I loved watching this peaceful view with the wind blowing and the birds singing. I fired the kiln for 7.5 hours to get it up to the right temperature. It was a rainy morning when the kiln was finally cool enough to open it up, and I was so pleased with the results. And here it is, my finished teapot made with love. I am the naked potter.